Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Hey, I just want to do a quick little video. I'm actually going live looking for a couple of trades. This is the layout I actually uploaded a couple days ago for you guys all. And I just kind of want to show you guys how you can make some quick money in the S&P Emini futures market, and essentially using that same exact chart. What we have is a 15-minute, a 5-minute, my 512 indicator here, double moving average, my 1-minute chart right here, 3-minute today only market profile, and also our AD lines. This is kind of everything that you need. And what we're seeing, I'm going to kind of walk you through the trade that I'm actually watching for right now, is we have the point of control down here. We are bearish right here, right? The red is bearish. I'm actually looking for it to go bullish. We actually see the 15-minute chart is kind of bullish right now until proven different, because we actually took out the low, then we took out this high, so we're bullish. And I'm looking for this to turn blue right now, right? The 1 minute is oversold. I'm actually looking for this to close blue, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order in right here around the 1375. I'm looking for price to roll over, bounce, and then move higher. So I'm going to put an order in right here, and I'm using the micros for this, but I want to see price kind of rally, pull back, bounce, kind of come back, and start to fill in all this area. Now, one thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to follow this for a potential pullback, right? Or as this moves up, I will move my order up with it, right? So we could see we're about 14 now. You could see we're 1380, right? I'm just looking for pullback, being patient. I kind of like everything that's setting up right now. And again, we're just looking for a quick little point or two. I'm going to look for a point on this trade. So 14 to 15. Not worried about the money. Yeah, big deal. Like I said, I'm using micro, so it's more training for this, but I just want to show you guys how you can make some money. I have a 2-point catastrophic stop, but this level should act as a support level because we have the point of control down here. And also I've been trading this double moving average for a really long time. So we should find support. We have a body here. There we go. We get the fill, right? And we're just looking for a quick little bounce. And there we go. So hopefully that kind of helps you guys with that chart that I sent you guys. If you like this, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also make sure you guys check out my website, daytradingfearless.com. I got links below where I teach you how to trade. I have a trade zone video course and other video courses on there too. So if you want to become a better trader, things like that. So again, if you guys like this, let me know. I'll also leave a link to this layout in the video down below. So if you want to kind of download this onto your own chart, but multiple things. I kind of walked you through the trade. Perfect trade, came right down to it, bounced, and got the point. We didn't even take any heat on that trade, and you saw it in real time. So again, hopefully you guys like it. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.